In 1979, America came closer than ever to a nuclear disaster. At a power plant in Pennsylvania, a simple malfunction spiraled into the nation's worst nuclear accident. This is the story of 3 Mile Island. On March 28, 1979, the 3 Mile Island nuclear power plant near Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, experienced a partial meltdown in one of its reactors. Though no one was killed, the event shook public confidence in nuclear energy and changed the future of the industry in the United States. It started with a relatively minor problem, a failure in the plant's cooling system. A valve stuck open, allowing coolant water to escape. Operators, confused by faulty indicators, did not realize what was happening. As the water level dropped, the nuclear fuel overheated, leading to a dangerous chain reaction. Inside the reactor core, temperatures soared. Some of the uranium fuel rods melted, releasing radioactive gases into the containment building. Alarms blared as engineers struggled to regain control. For hours, confusion and miscommunication plagued the response, and officials feared a complete meltdown, the worst-case scenario. News of the accident spread quickly. With limited information, rumors fueled fear. Many residents of nearby towns fled, worried about radiation exposure. Schools closed, stores emptied, and the media covered the unfolding crisis non-stop. At one point, even the governor considered evacuating more than 600,000 people from the area. After days of tense monitoring, operators finally stabilized the reactor and prevented further damage. Although small amounts of radioactive gas were released, extensive studies later showed that radiation exposure to the public was minimal. Still, the psychological impact was enormous. The 3 Mile Island accident highlighted flaws in training, communication, and safety design. The incident fueled public opposition to nuclear power, halted the construction of many new plants, and triggered sweeping reforms in the nuclear industry. The Nuclear Regulatory Commission introduced stricter regulations, and operator training became far more rigorous. Today, 3 Mile Island is remembered as a turning point in energy history. It was not the world's worst nuclear accident. That title belongs to Chernobyl and Fukushima, but it was the wake-up call that changed how America viewed nuclear power. The 3 Mile Island accident showed how even small technical failures can spiral into national crises. It stands as a reminder of the need for vigilance, transparency, and caution when dealing with one of humanity's most powerful technologies.